Alright, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maro's Tech. In this video, I'm going to be directing you guys on how to set up Smart UDP Pro VPN application on your Android device. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share, and if any problem, any inquiry, the comment section, I'm going to leave it open so that you can ask questions, you can comment, you can appreciate. So guys, don't forget to appreciate if it connects on your device. Let us start up our tutorial. You're going to open Google Play Store, and then you're going to open our search bar, and then you're going to type Smart UDP, then Pro. Remember, I'll search this, and then you're going to keep note of that app icon, keep note of that app name, and then take a note of the developer's name, which is SecureDNet. So guys, download, install this application, and then after installing, just open. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, demonstration, and educational purposes only. Users are requested to follow the local laws, community guidelines, and internet service providers' terms and conditions before continuing to use this application. So we are going to allow all permissions that will be requested to you by this application, and then after you're going to join their Telegram channel to keep up with all important notifications and updates. Then after you're going to come right here. Hope you are seeing this one. The reason why I'm going to be checking this button, I want to update the servers so that I can keep up with all updated information, and I can keep up with updated servers so that I can connect to a fast, secure, and a stable internet connection on my Android device. I'm going to check for updates until I see a message right here down. It will be appearing right down here that no updates are available. Keep on checking until you see that message. Now, our second step, you're going to come right here. We have auto select server, and then after, right here we have only 3 servers, but I recommend all of you guys to choose the auto select server in this moment. Then after, we are going to come where we have all networks, and then you're going to go, if your application is local networks, change and put in all networks. Change from this to this. It must be from this one to this one. Don't accept to be in the local networks. Then after, you're going to go where you search from. In the search button, type in your country. Type your country. But alternatively, you're not going to type in the country as an alternative method. You're going to connect to this one, the first server right here. Choose that one, and then you'll be able to connect. But if your country does not support UDP, type in your country and then continue. Accept the VPN service after checking right here, and then wait for a few seconds. It will have connected successfully. And then if it fails to connect, don't say that the application does not work. You're going to do this. You can clear the app data. You can also restart the application you can clear the cake. You can also try to toggle airplane mode on and then off. So guys, that is it, and that's how we set Smart UDP VPN. Let us meet in the next video. I sign out. If you get any problem, comment. If you appreciate, comment.